So video number 2. I got a new camera, HD video, so this should look a little better. This is my Yamaha FZ6R. I've had it for about a month, and I've learned a little bit about it since having it. First video, pretty much brand new, and it's my first bike, so didn't really have much to say. But now I've learned a little more. So let's see. It handles great. It's got plenty of power. Some comments have wondered if it's a good first bike. I'd say it is if you're careful. I'm a little over 200 pounds and 6'2", so it's plenty of power for me. Even now, after a month, I'm barely laying into the throttle. When those RPMs really start to get up, it's a lot of power. Alright, so specifically, I may be a little tall for the windscreen. Above 60 miles an hour, the wind really starts to push, so I tuck a little low, and that helps, but it's still a bit much. Someone recommended a bigger windscreen, and Yamaha offers a couple, so might give that a try. So, since YouTube cut out the audio on my first video, let's go ahead and hear the engine. I noticed the gauges. We do have a gas gauge, odometer, trip meters, digital. It's pretty nice. So let's hear the engine. So you can hear it's not super loud and it's not super quiet. It's pretty good stock sound, but I plan on getting exhaust eventually. So let's go ahead and do a little drive. So you can see this thing can move. It can get up pretty quick. I noticed the exhaust note has gotten a little deeper as I've hit about 200, 250 miles. So maybe it's breaking in the exhaust too, but it's riding great. So first HD video, first bike. There you go.